Njalo talo yabona. And besuke out yami so jub. Besuke out yami. Namanje ngezwe bayamsukela nje lo yabona jub bheka ngayizi. Jub bheka gadiwe ejele. That guy was big. Ngiyazwa nje bayakhuluma ngojub bathi that guy was big ejele.
Bakhuluma ngaye bathi wenzeni.
Azabathe basazokhuluma ukuthi jub azange zahlabo ejele bangacamba amanga. Leana was big ejele ukuthi like ugadiwe. Makalele so impedeni. Bekune sign ebhaliwe please don't disturb. Aliki iphoyisa elizomvusa la umama Jake angeze ejele manje ijele livalwe livuliwe. They knew ukuthi ujub makathi ufuna ukuya ngaphandle esibhedlela kwamela khishwe. That guy bekaphila kamnandi ejele. So angifuni ukwenzibo nje lokuzicamba amanga ngojub ukuthi jub this jub amanga lihlaza lapho. That guy was big in prison. That guy bekathi makagula manje kusasa khishwa engaphandle ukuthi bengidla ikheke mfana ngaphandle yabona. Yena bekadla ikheke ngaphandle bekaphuma. Jub bake bamvusa lenye iphosa athi hey maka 40 wisiboshwa naye 1 2 3. Jub ayireporta kumamakhe. Mamakhe weza kuprison wada le police la chief tisa la isoko insection day wena ngazosibhekisa ngabantu. Jub is big la ejele. Ya jub uyamazi futhi mama ka jub mama Jake lo umuntu bekakwazi ukuvala istrat ngephamgani lapha ufana uWinnie Mandela so bozomenza nini jub ejele. Ukona isibosho besingahlukumeza ujub ejele bamcambela amanga ujub uyabona ka jub ngihleli naye ngaze ngaphuma. Jub manje bekuyiclever le ejele because uphethe imali ngapha lezo sisha umthetho siyamthanda yabona amlwela amaqembu yabona because ushukela wena ungalwisa ushukela bekuphuthi maswiti yabona anamanga vele ngizwile kubo social media jub sazokhuluma indaba zakho jub akana indaba ejele bekuyiclever le yabephatha imali ejele bekwazi ukuvulisa ijele ivaliwe ithi yagula manje ahambiswe wena ubani ongavulisa ijele because jub uphethe imali ejele yabona. So bonke laba bakhuluma ngojub ukuthi sisazokhuluma zezindaba banamanga mhlambe yibo bebehlathwa ke ejele mangabe bafuna ukukhuluma lento leyo yibo abantu bebabashaya induni not ujub bekahlala so ijele ivaliwe kuba namadoda ayithiwa ahleli la ngezitulo uvalile umdiyadiya wonke ngeke uzumthini ngeke umvusa uma ufika lapha laba sebagadile iboshwa and bashaba umthetho labo botsepho 26 lo 28 yabona hlabahlanganise ngapha nangapha ujub une club editwa itakashishi lo muntu bekwadli bekane club ejele ujub ukubuya kodlisa iboshwa zonke wayenza ipati ujub hello cop zonke iboshwa zadla uthola wonke umuntu uthola icoke uthola irole nevox uthola nani uthola amazimba uthola ipackage bayibizana lento le iparty pack yeah jub oh that guy jub was big ejele mabakhuluma ngcono bangakhuluma naye njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi besina ejele hayi ukuthi ngithi udliwe induni ujub uzonyamalala ngojub so yabona abantu angeni bafuna ifame ngojub lo muntu famous kwayena nje ujub indoda ebenamandla kangaka gijimisa abantu ngiyajola 99 uyakuthi le ndoda inesibindi vele ijele nalimkhulisile yabona vele amakumbulo ujub wamba wondile angaka ngama wafika bayibeast manje ungaka bengijima naye bengijima nambe sengimsaba kasefu uma kuphusha yazi ukuthi lazo ukhule nengamla lo yamuntu yamazi alambe sengimsaba njalo ujub because makafika bengikwazi ukumgwajisa hayi nina fuck you Maposa fuck you ayabo le elithanda nezana you wanna fight ithi mawena lokuthola ngaphandle ukuthola ngegani ngaphandle wena elekuthe mangifika bangiphuma makaphuma ufune mina umuntu okucala
oh yeah
njengoba ngithi mangakubonisa la ku Instagram yami ubheke nginaye mangiphuma ejele wena makaphuma after 3 days 4 days umfone elile sekahamba ngebig bash awufuna uMaposa straight afuna inamba wazongithola where are you my guy ayisaba sonke nojubs we enjoy ngaya kubo ngaphuza utshwala so njengoba ngihlala nojub njalo in Taiwan the rotation music yabona njalo uhlala bhali lapha ethi ball pen yabona so mina bengakwazi ukubhala ukuthi music ubhalwa kanjani yabona ngacala ngashaya ingoma wenzani uchitha amachwa sejele wenzani uchitha amachwala wethu siplume nabantu bethu si represent igate yabona ngaba umuntu ke nabangirecorda ke ingoma ngathola enye intwana ke bekuyase Alex hayi benswembu so ihlala noJubJub bese ibhalela uJubJub nayo yabona lentwana le bese ibhalela uJubJub nayo music anami ngicela mfethu angibhalele uyabona lentwana ngibhalele enye hip hop kwayo bengishaya hip hop kwayo dinga ukuzwisa lyrics la khona ngithi King Boza hloko loza bomshoza nabo nonoza uya lahla bafoza keke DJ Komboza yimi Boza ngiyabloza situation ngiyiphoza lana ke khozo close abo mrepa noma ngaflosa zocina ngokungiprovoka mina ilihlo ngiyalipoka ngumhlakasi ngiyachoka before ngiwasha ngiyasoka wena uyihlawuna uyachoka penny hands back soka 3 to 5 malihloka njenge vibe ngizogconka benga.
Hi guys, so there's only one thing that I'm gonna say. Ukuthi, having money in life is very, very important. Very, very important. Make sure that you have money and your life will be easier. Let's go to the comments. This one says, Mama Jackie is the queen. Mama Jackie must be investigated. Lol. The benefits of being Mama Jackie's son. Yane. Oksalayo, he served his sentence and he was in jail. Yeah, he did. Imagine what's happening to Kat Matlala. Woo, aike loyo. Kahle kahle, karma does not exist. Guys, life is not a Nigerian movie. It's not. He did say, he also said before, Uguti, he ate anything. There's someone who tested his food first in case it was poisoned. Guys, money, the power of money. Kanti ma unemali ejele uphila kamnandi. South Africa. Yeah, guys, kunjalo impela. When I grow up, I want to be Mama Jackie. Wow. Can you imagine if JubJub was big? How about Kat Matlala and Thabo Bester? Thabo Bester, we all know. Ukuthi he's living soft nje. Obvious, no Kat Matlala naye, obvious. Now, the JubJub Maswita Mnandi in his introduction makes sense. Yane, yeah. Please don't disturb. Guys, imagine in jail. Please, the please don't disturb thing in Gazela at the hotel. Hey, jail, guys. Wow. I second you, my brother. We were always making sure no one takes advantage of that guy. We kept him under the wing of 26. Plus, one of his uncles was working in the prison. Wow. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't skip the ads and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on my next one.